Did you know that you can add the Plot Preview button to the Quick Access Toolbar? If I come up to my Quick Access Toolbar up here at the top of my screen, you can see that I have my Plot button here, which will allow me to plot my drawing, and I can choose Preview right here, which will give me the preview of my plot. But I can add a Preview button right here next to this Print button. To do so, just go over here to the little drop down on the Quick Access Toolbar and click on it and choose Plot Preview right here. When you do that, it will add that Plot Preview button to your Quick Access Toolbar. But notice that my Plot Preview button is separated from my Plot button. And if I want to have those two things next to each other, it's super simple to move this from here over to here. To do so, go to the CUI, that's Customize User Interface, and CUI, and it will bring up your Customize User Interface dialog box. Go down here to where it says Quick Access Toolbar, expand that button, and then expand the button right next to Quick Access Toolbar 1, and you'll see these are the tools on your Quick Access Toolbar. I want Plot Preview right next to my Plot button, so I'm just going to click on it once, and then click and drag and put it right next to Plot where I actually want it. Once I do that, I can choose Apply and OK, and now you'll see that it recreates my Quick Access Toolbar, so I've got Plot and then Plot Preview right next to it, which makes it much easier and quicker to preview my plots.